Again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery. I have a 10 by 10 by 2 inch gallery wrap canvas. I have some white pillow paint and I have some black pillow paint. And I have done something with the white, but I still have the black. Oh boy, that's not even right. How could I possibly? It's got to be right there. There, of course it's right there. I'm panicking for no reason. So, this time, I have double coated this with mead and black paint. And it is dry now. I am going to contemplate putting some pillow paint down, putting some white cell activator into it, blowing it around somewhat, and doing the same thing with the white on black. And then maybe tipping, because I haven't done that yet. Evidently I have a vague clog. And that is the white. They are semi-gloss latex, black and white from Colour Place. That is the Aussie Floetrol with Amsterdam black in it. I am avoiding the excess mess and hopefully going to take advantage of some negative space. And most of the times that I've done this, I have not bothered to move things around much. I have to make sure that I don't mix up what's what. This is more pillow paint. I am going to take some of the Amsterdam white . And continue to change up what I see. That was the that was the float. That was the cell activator. It's okay. We'll work with it. I'm going to come back around since I have some things I like. Now some people are scooping these up with palette knives and stretching them out, and that could happen if I'd had a wet background, I think. I've got to remember which is which. That's more pillow paint. This is more pillow paint. This is more cell activator. This is more cell activator. Not that any of that worked. Hang on. I could fix it still. Which might be okay. I do like the black and whites. I could probably be pretty happy just sticking with the black and white. I'm going to leave that in the right position. I'm just learning how to do this myself, so if I do odd things, you'll understand. More cell activator. Because it is so-called pillow paint, it probably does benefit from being tipped. But I love the cells, and I do use GAC 800 by Golden. And all of my paint mixtures. I think I want those cells back I just blew out. Unfortunately, I can get them. Okay, now I've got little tools. These are my acetate tools, and what they're really good for is covering the edges. So where my paint is dripped down, I'm just going to pull something in to fill that gap. And lead a drip down. Now, if I'm happy with my design, and I'm not exactly, but I'm close. And I can keep changing it up. I mean, really, why not? Just by adding cell activator, and I get different patterns almost all the time. There is such a thing as too heavy, so it is a risk. I'm not going to say it's not. Now I'm liking all of that. I have a few more drips over here. I'm just going to pull them together ever so slightly. Make them look like something other than just drips. And steal a little paint. There we go. Okay, so my cell activator gone wrong is made from Art Deco Art 24 karat gold, added to Australian Floetrol with some iridescent gold from Golden. And I think I'm going to try a little bit of it right in the main body of this time, which I have not done before. And what do I want to use with it? I kind of want to use the purple. Oh, I've got a bubble. That is the black raspberry. And some cerulean blue. And strangely enough, my mixture of Big Apple and Orange Crush. Oh, you know I'm not going to be able to stop there. Okay, there's some pink diamond. Let's put a dot. The white, Amsterdam, and the black, Amsterdam. Well, even though that's a little dark, I expect the cells to keep popping, and I'm going to try it with more gold next time. And I'm going to start with, yeah, that's okay. I'm going to put another bloom over there, I think. I'm going to use some of the poinsettia this time on top of the pink diamond. And I'm going to use some of the orange crush. Oh, I've got really pretty cells. Really pretty. Some of the white. Some of the black. I am not seeing as many cells in the middle as I would like. And yeah, I could give it another minute. But instead, I'm probably just going to go for some black. Because I usually like the way it looks when I blow a center out. I'm going to try some of the Mayan gold this time. Instead of my cell activator, and see how that works. And I'm going to use some of the pink diamond, and I keep forgetting to use my pink carnation, which I absolutely love. And this time I'm going to go for some purple, dioxazine purple cell activator. Actually, I'm going to do that on top of the white, which I'm going to wish is black, but that's okay. So far so good. I think the Mayan gold works just as well. I want something some poinsettia, some pink carnation, some pink diamond. I forgot the gold. Okay, well, we'll use it on top and see what happens. And this time I'm going to use my orange cell activator, which is just Australian floetrol with orange unicorn spit. You know what? I want some black in there as well. That was a success. I like that a lot. I am having such a good time with these black and whites, I can't even tell you. I want a little bit of cerulean blue. I'm going to start with the black raspberry. Cerulean blue. I think it's called cerulean, but I'm not sure. I like a center, so adding a little black doesn't hurt my feelings any. I may wish I had less paint in some places. I'm not sure that was my best bet, but I've got it, so I'm going to learn to live with it. Maybe. Okay, so what else do I need? Anything? Not much. I like this over here, but I want some more purple. Right on that edge. I'm thinking it would be nice to have a little bit of pink, but I don't want to take away all my negative space. So the pink diamond may work wonders. Use a straw. That's just kind of sublime. I'm loving this. little white dot that can be a black dot tomorrow. Now I could definitely add some green stuff, but I'm not really feeling like I need to. What I am feeling like doing is taking a chance. Very cautiously adding a few dots and seeing what happens. I've got 3 minutes left to tell you guys. Whoops. Did I do sell my artwork? I guess I'm going to put another flower in there because I'm not sure that was a wise move on my part. I'm going to use a different color too. How about some blue Bonnet and the pink Carnation. And since I'm in the white, I'll do some black. Maybe I'll do a little white on top of that too. It's important to blow down as much. Oh, that's a pretty one. That might have been possibly one more than I needed, but it's such a pretty flower. Who cares? I'm going to pull, I like it from all directions too. I could put some greenery on the edges. That might be kind of neat. I'm hoping that this dries as well as it looks, because I'm really liking how it looks. I am contemplating moving some of this. A little bit. Maybe with a stick. If I want, put a little more pillow paint right there. Lead that right inside. So I've got a couple of spirals, and if I want more, I can have more. I'm pretty happy with this. I'm going to be checking for bubbles and piercing them with a skewer. Please look under the video. I want a torch. Can't torch with pillow paint though, but I am enjoying using it. And its diminished capacity is making me happy. I don't even mind the drips over the edge in some places. I don't think you really have to fix them as much as I was saying you do. And that's my story, and I'm sticking to it. Oh, nice. Reminds me of the other one I did that I really liked. Subtle colors. Really pretty. Let me grab my phone. Maybe I can shimmer this at you. Oh, those are beautiful colors. Beautiful. I love you guys. I want you to take care of each other, take care of yourselves. Know that there's over 2,500 videos, 2,400 of which are probably available on playlists. If you go to my channel and search for playlists, all playlists, created playlists. Thank you guys for the wonderful comments and the donations that help keep me painting all this time. I really appreciate it. That is just gorgeous. That is tremendous. I want to take some close-up pictures of some of these. Woo! I'm getting better at this. I love it. I love you guys too. Thanks for inspiring the heck out of me. Thanks for the thumbs up. Thanks for sharing. Thanks for watching longer. Thanks for the comments. Make sure to ask questions if you want to know my paint pouring recipes under the video. Don't forget the 20% off Colour Arte coupon code right under the video. I am an affiliate and you will help me out some if you decide to go shopping, and I recommend it very much. Woo! Bye for now. Priscilla out. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. All right. My Amazon link is on that link tree too, along with Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links,